Hey everyone, how's it been? Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. School is a pain in my ass. But now I'm almost done because I'm a senior. I can get back to work. Now let's get into some updates. Let's start off with YouTuber Murder Mystery Restarted V2. Good news, it isn't cancelled, and the script and animation is all complete. But unfortunately, the record the recording isn't done yet because we need to find a good time so we can all get together and record. But I'll have you know that hopefully that next episode will come out this summer. I hope. Anyways, right here is a list that I'm going to make to get my channel more active around here. So I won't go off for like 3 months. Anyways, I hope to see you then. Bye.